Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Australia to invest up to $7 billion in counter-drone defense, boosting sovereign capabilities and industry development. The Australian government has announced plans to invest up to $7 billion in counter-drone defense capabilities over the next decade. The funding forms part of the 2026 Integrated Investment Programme aimed at strengthening the Australian Defence Force's ability to counter emerging aerial threats. The investment will more than double existing spending on counter-drone systems. It reflects growing concerns over the use of uncrewed aerial systems in conflicts such as those in Ukraine and the Middle East. As part of the initiative, the government has awarded 2 initial contracts to Australian companies. These include $21.3 million Australian dollars to AIM Defence and $10.4 million Australian dollars to SYPAQ Systems under the Advanced Strategic Capabilities Accelerators Mission Syracuse. AIM Defence will further develop its high-powered fractal counter-drone laser system. The system is designed to track and engage both individual drones and swarms at high speeds. SYPAQ Systems will focus on advancing the Corvo Strike Interceptor drone. The platform is intended to track, target and destroy larger unmanned aerial systems used on modern battlefields. The program also includes integration of these capabilities into existing Australian Defence Force control systems. This work will be carried out under the LAN 156 program to ensure operational compatibility. The government said the initiative supports the development of sovereign counter-drone solutions. It aims to ensure the ADF can detect, assess and respond effectively to aerial threats in both domestic and international operations. Pat Conroy said, "The Albanese government is building a stronger and more resilient defence industry through investing in Australian innovation, skills and disruptive technologies that will keep Australians safe." He added, "The government's record investment in defence through the 2026 Integrated Investment Programme includes record investment in drone and counter-drone capabilities, ensuring Australia can respond to threats to Australia's security." He further said, "With the war in Ukraine and conflicts in the Middle East showing how uncrewed aerial systems are increasingly being employed in conflict, the development of sovereign counter-drone solutions is essential to ensure the Australian Defence Force can detect, assess and respond to these threats." The government has also committed up to $22 billion over the decade for drone, counter-drone and autonomous technologies. Hugh Meggitt said, "Mission Syracuse will exploit Australian industry's world-leading expertise in kinetic and directed energy to find, fix, track, target and engage uncrewed aerial vehicles, UAVs." He added, "It will significantly enhance the ADF's ability to counter the threat posed by UAVs employed by malicious actors, domestically and abroad." Officials said the program will prioritize capabilities to counter medium-sized drones and swarms of smaller systems. The investment is intended to support both operational effectiveness and long-term growth of Australia's defence industrial base. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.